To fix the problem where you cannot connect your Google Pixel 10 Pro with your PC, first of all, you will need to make sure that you have a USB cable that allows you to connect both your PC and a phone. So make sure that there's at least one USB-C port that you can connect to your phone right here, and then on the other side maybe USB-C or USB standard. Then if you can see this notification right here, that means you should be able to transfer files from your phone. And if this notification didn't show up, make sure to just check any other cable that you have. Sometimes some cables won't offer the option to transfer files, and that may be the reason and the way to fix it. The other fix that you can try is to connect the USB port from your PC to the cable to different port on your PC or a laptop. Sometimes they disconnect or just don't work, so you can try that as well. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.